Another very important topic for your upcoming NET examination is the scheme Parak. Now this has been brought by NCERT and this would be India's first national assessment regulator. Now the name is Performance Assessment Review Analysis of Knowledge for Holistic Development, and the first letter of the each word creates the acronym which is Parak. Now Parak or this is basically an assessment guidelines for all the boards. Now this has been launched under the new education policy 2020. It would be a unit of NCERT as we said. So it would actually take periodic learning outcome surveys, and this would be important to help develop the National Assessment Survey, National Achievement Survey, and there would be 3 levels of assessments which would be done. First would be the large scale assessment, the second would be the school based assessment, and the third would be the reforms in the examination process. So what are some of the major things that the scheme would look into? It's maintaining the uniform norms and guidelines, enhancing the process of assessment, reducing the disparity in the process of evaluation, and creating benchmarks for evaluation. Now some of the major developments under this scheme would include removing any kind of disparity in college administration, bringing in better innovation, a holistic approach, and a progressive shift in the approach towards education. So a very important question. The acronym for this scheme is very important. It's a subunit of NCERT launched under new education policy 2020, and it would be the India's first national assessment regulator system with 3 levels of assessment. So those are some of the key highlights that we have discussed about this scheme. Extremely important, and of course we'll be covering further expected topics for your upcoming NET examination. So stay tuned, stay updated for more information, and of course the complete lecture series are available on Doorstep Tutor, so don't miss those. Have a great day.